Welcome back, you Harbor Freight bros, to another video on Harbor Freight and this weekend's deal. We have a deal for this weekend, and it's not buckets, unfortunately. Maybe that'll happen soon, but let's go through this. 15% off all Predator gas generators. This is a super coupon, so this is available for anybody with a coupon. But let's read the fine print. 15% off all Predator gas generators with coupon code THIS. Valid from Friday, May the 2nd through Sunday, May the 4th. Be with you. Valid in-store, on in-stock, and pre-sale eligible items. Save 15%. All Predator gas generators purchased. Coupon cannot be combined or stacked with other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases, including Inside Track Club member prices. Other restrictions may apply. Valid the 2nd through the 4th. And then just as a note, since it's down here, this is a steal of a deal. I think I mentioned it 2 videos ago, and I failed to mention it the last, but this is the Icon 3/8" drive professional socket extension set 6-piece. $24.99, 37% off. 6 pieces. It's Icon, lifetime guarantee. And these aren't too bad either. But I slept on this for a little bit. Someone called me out for it. That's right. I slept on it. Don't sleep on it. Great deal. So that's 15% for everybody. But also, they're giving the ITC a little bit of a perk, an extra 5%. That 5% can go a long way. If you spend $1,000 on a generator, an extra 5% would be an extra $50 off, if I'm doing the math right. And so here we have it. Let's read the fine print. Inside Track Club members save 20% off all Predator gas generators, valid from Friday, May the 2nd through Sunday, May the 4th. Be with you. Valid in-store, on in-stock, and pre-sale eligible items only for existing and new Inside Track Club members. No coupon required. Discount applied at the register. Save 20%. All Predator gas generators purchased cannot be combined or stacked with other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases, including ITC Club member prices. Other restrictions may apply. Again, valid from the 2nd to the 4th. And then they add a little bit more text that this is an Inside Track Club deal, valid only in all caps for members. Our Inside Track Club members get access to exclusive member deals on new items monthly. And so those are our deals going on this weekend. Let's check out some of the generators. And it's already here. They're already promoting it. So if you're in need of a generator, 20% is not too bad. Yes, they will have some of these on sale for a little bit more than 20% here or there. But very few times do you get the option to buy any generator for a deep discount. So we'll sort these out from highest to low, and we'll bring out our handy dandy calculator. And so here, this first one, the 9500 watt super quiet inverter generator with CO secure technology. It is their most expensive generator. And so we'll see. We're going to do ITC prices, and we'll compare the 15% as well. So $22.99 at 20% off. And we're getting it for $18.39, saving about $500 off with the 20%. And then if you do 15%, still saving a good amount, comes out to $19.55. So just under $2,000. But instead of a $500 savings, you're saving about $345. So nothing to scoff at. But if you're going in for this generator, this one in particular, and probably a few other ones, since it's priced so high, you might as well pay for the ITC membership, because you're going to save more money total by getting the membership, because you'll save about $160. So an extra $30 for the membership is completely worth it. Now, of course, that only works if the price is high enough. So we'll look at this next one as well. The Predator 13,000 watt tri-fuel portable generator with remote start and CO secure technology at $1,200. If you get it for 20% off, you're getting it for less than $1,000. You're getting it for $960, and you're saving $240. Keep that number in mind. Now, if you're only doing the 15% off, you're getting it for $1,020. And I say only, you're only saving $180. So even in this case, you're saving difference is $60 with ITC So if you pay for the ITC membership, you're still saving an extra $30. But this is probably the limit, roughly around here, the $1,200 range, where the ITC membership pays. Actually, still get a little extra savings. This $1,000 will probably still get you there. So we'll just look at the next couple of ones. Here we have the 5,000 watt dual fuel super quiet inverter generator with remote start and CO secure technology. And that's $1,100. At 20% off, you're getting it for $880, which means you're saving about $220. Again, keep that in mind. If you're only doing the 15% off, and at 15% off, you're getting it for $935, and you're saving $165. So here you're still saving, what is that, $35, $55? So you're still saving, if you get the ITC membership, about $20. So even at $1,000, it makes sense. And we'll kind of just look through the rest of these. Predator 3,500 watt super quiet inverter generator with CO secure technology for $800, and at 80% off, you're getting it for $640. So you're saving $160. And at 15% off, you're spending $680. It's about $40 difference. You're only saving $120. So $40 difference. You're still, if you get the ITC membership, even at $800, you're still saving an additional $10. So you can almost look at it as if you're getting a 15% off generator with a free ITC membership included, is almost what it works out to. And then of course we have the rest listed here. The cheapest ones being down at $350, gas powered 1,800 watt, and even this clearance 1,400 watt super quiet at $429.97. So that's the weekend's deal. Are you going to go ahead and get yourself a generator? 20% off, even 15% off is not too bad, especially when you have your choice of gas generator. Let me know your thoughts. And hopefully you find this useful. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I find some more deals, I will send them your way.